Hello dear students or friends. Welcome back to my channel Rahul English Study. Dear friends or students, now we discuss John Galsworthy related questions. फ्रेंड्स, समय को न वेस्ट करते हुए शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन विच ईयर Galsworthy met Conrad? What will be answer? Answer will be 1893. Option A is correct. Question number 2. Where did John Galsworthy born? What will be answer? Answer will be England. Option A is correct. Question number 3. What was the profession of Galsworthy's father? आंसर करेंगे. What will be answer? Answer will be solicitor. Option C is correct. Question number 4. When did he begin his career as a writer? What will be answer? Answer will be 1895. Option D is correct. Question number 5. What was the name of John Galsworthy's wife? What was the name of Galsworthy's wife? What will be answer? Answer will be, what will be answer? Answer will be Ada. Option C is correct. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is the pseudonym of John Galsworthy? What will be answer? Answer will be, what will be answer? I hope कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. John St. John. Option B is correct. Question number 7. Which was Galsworthy's first published novel? What will be answer? Answer will be, I hope कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. Answer will be Jocelyn. Option B is correct. Question number 8. Which novel earned Galsworthy the reputation of a novelist? What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे. क्या होगा आंसर? The answer will be, I hope that कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. Answer will be the Aislinn Farsis. Option C is correct. Question number 9. Take care of character and action and dialogues will take care of themselves. Whose words are these? What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे, क्या होगा आंसर? आंसर विल बी Galsworthy. Option B is correct. Question number 10. Which play made Galsworthy famous as a dramatist? What will be answer? I hope that आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. The Silver Box. Option C is correct. Question number 11. Galsworthy met him in 1893 and formed a lifelong friendship with him. Identify him. What will be answer? Identify करना है. Galsworthy met him in 1893. What will be answer? The answer will be Conrad या Conrad. Option A is correct. Question number 12. The first volume of Galsworthy entitled From the Four Winds appeared in 1897 under the pseudonym. What will be answer? What will be answer? The answer will be John St. John. Option B is correct. Question number 13. Question number 13. Galsworthy's first novel was published in 1899. Which novel? What will be answer? I hope that आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. क्या होगा आंसर? द आंसर विल बी जोसेलिन. 1899. Question number option A is correct. Option A is correct. Jocelyn. Question number 14. I read in various chamber. Practiced almost not at all and dislike my profession thoroughly. Who said? आंसर करेंगे. Who said? Answer will be Galsworthy. Option B is correct. Question number 15. Burn it and you will oblige me. About which does Galsworthy talk here? What will be answer? What will be answer? क्या होगा आंसर? आंसर will be what will be answer? I hope that कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. From the four winds. Option A is correct. Question number 16. Question number 16. The first work that earned Galsworthy was The novel identify it. What will be answer? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. द आइसलैंड फेरेसिस. रिपीट होगा. चलो ठीक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Question number 17. The Iceland forces holds up a picture of the wealthy class ruling. What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे. क्या होगा आंसर? आंसर will be over the poor class and fattening on them. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 18. Question number 18. The first play that made Galsworthy famous as a playwright is. What will be answer? What will be answer? I hope that कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. आंसर will be the silver box. Option C is correct. Question number 19. Galsworthy's reputation as a novelist was established by. What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे इसका. इसका आंसर होगा द फोर्साइट सागा. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The Forsyte saga includes The Man of Property 1906 in the Chancery 1920, Too Late 1921, and two interludes. Find the interlude. What will be answer? क्या होगा आंसर? आंसर करना है. आंसर will be Indian Summer of a Forsyte Tales and Awakening. Indian Summer of a Forsyte Tales and Awakening. Option C is correct. Option number C is correct. Next question 21. Question number 21. In 1921, Galsworthy became. What will be answer? The answer will be president of the Pen Club. London. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. यानी PEN पेन क्लब. क्वेश्चन नंबर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. In 1929, which honor was conferred upon Galsworthy? What will be answer? What will be answer? answer will be order of merit. Option B is correct. Order of merit. Option B is correct. Question number when did Persian published? What will be answer? When did Persian published? What will be answer? 1904. Option A is correct. Next question. Moving to the next question. 24. John Galsworthy was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in. John Galsworthy was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in. आंसर करेंगे. व्हाट विल बी आंसर? आंसर विल बी 1932. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. What is the name of Galsworthy? Galsworthy's first play. What is the name of Galsworthy's first play? What will be answer? Answer will be Silver Box. Option A is correct. Question number 26. Which play of Galsworthy shows that there are two laws? One is meant for the rich and another for the poor. आंसर करेंगे. What will be answer? Answer will be the Silver Box. Option B is correct. Question number 27. The play stripe deals with. आंसर करेंगे. The play stripe deals with. What will be answer? The play stripe deals with. What will be answer? The conflict between capitalist and laborers. So option C is correct. Question number 28. The character of Jack Barthwick appears in. The character of Jack Barthwick appears in. आंसर करेंगे. The character of Jack Barthwick appears in. What will be answer? The answer will be the Silver Box. Option C is correct. Question number 29. The character of poor Jones appears in. The character of poor Jones appears in. What will be answer? The answer will be the Silver Box. Option D is correct. Moving to the next question. Number 30. Where did strike takes place? In the play stripe. Where did strike takes place in the play stripe? What will be answer? Answer will be at Trinartha Tin Plate Works. Option A is correct. Question number 31. Which play of Galsworthy deals with the inadequate inadequacy sorry inadequacy of the administration of justice and the attitude of different types of people towards an escaped prisoner? What will be answer? Which play of Galsworthy deals with the inadequacy of the administration of justice and the attitude of different type of people towards an escaped prisoner? What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे, क्या होगा आंसर? तो आंसर विल बी, क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी escape. Option C is correct. Next question number 32. Which play analyzes the impact of modern publicity on private domestic tragedy? Which play analyzes the impact of modern publicity on private domestic tragedy? What will be answer? Answer will be The Show. Option A is correct, The Show. Moving to the next question number 33. Which play contrasts the fates of the various stories in a hotel? Which play contrasts the fates of the various stories in a hotel? What will be answer? आंसर करेंगे, आंसर विल बी द रूफ. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. लेट्स मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Number 34. Literature is its one reward. Who said? Literature is its one reward. Who said? What will be answer? What will be answer? The answer will be John Galsworthy. So option D is correct. Question number 35. The year in which Galsworthy's father, dad, was also the year of the publications of the Iceland thesis. Find out the year. What will be answer? I hope कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. आंसर विल बी 1904. So the option is correct. Question number 36. Question number 36. A turning point in the life of Galsworthy came in with the publications of. What will be answer? A turning point in the life of Galsworthy came in with the publication of. What will be answer? आंसर विल बी, आई होप दैट कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. आंसर विल बी द मैन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. सो द ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. What did Galsworthy become in 1921? What did Galsworthy become in 1921? आंसर करेंगे, क्या होगा आंसर? आंसर विल बी, व्हाट विल बी आंसर? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द पेन क्लब लंदन. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. So the option B is correct. Moving to the next question. Let's moving to the next question. Number 38. What was conferred upon Galsworthy in 1929? What was conferred upon Galsworthy in 1929? What will be answer? The answer will be, I hope that कि आपने आंसर कर लिया होगा. The answer will be order of merit. So option C is correct. So the option C is correct. Order of merit. Let's moving to the next question number. Next question number 39. The first play of Galsworthy is easy questions. What will be answer? The answer will be the silver box. Answer will be the silver box. So the option A is correct. Question number 40. Next question number 40. Which play of Galsworthy has the theme of the problem of unjust, unfair and partial treatment meted out to the poor by the law governing the society? It clearly shows that there are two laws. One is meant for the rich and another for the poor. What will be answer? The answer will be option. The answer will be the silver box. So the option B is correct. Friends, dear students, ये 40 क्वेश्चंस जिनको मैंने जॉन्स गाल्सी से रिलेटेड थे, जिनको मैंने डिस्कस किया. और फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. और फ्रेंड्स, पिछली वीडियो में चैनल में जो लिटरेरी टर्म्स है उनको पढ़िएगा और चैनल पर जाके विज़िट करें तो विलियम शेक्सपियर, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, जॉन मिल्टन, इनमें सभी, और ये जॉन्स गाल्सवर्दी के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो जॉन गाल्सवर्दी के क्वेश्चंस हैं, इन सभी में इजी एंड हार्ड क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार. जय हिंद.